Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up some beef back ribs, oh hell yes, on the Weber Kettle 26 with that heat deflector that I built and Greg Slow Hands basket. We got a thunderstorm rolling in, oh hell yeah, let's get crazy. These beef back ribs, I am using Cosmos Q, SPG, and cow cover. Oh hell yeah, those two go very well together. And I'm wrapping these beef back ribs after spritzing with water a couple times here and there. And I'm going to wrap them in butcher paper instead of the aluminum foil. Let's give that a shot. And we're rolling with Royal Oak, the wood lump, classic, and some hickory chunks in there. And I got a good setup. It's, oh hell yeah, smelling amazing up in here. So I did a little work here in the shanty today. Boom, check that out. A little bit of a backsplash rolling. Now that's just an idea. I'm probably going to be working some kind of table right here in between. I don't know. Roof, I got to do something with this roof. It's just tarp, and in the winter it sags a little bit, pain in the ass. So I think we're going to be OSB boards, throw over some kind of waterproof tarp on top of that, which I already have one. So I think we're ready to roll with that as soon as it gets nice. It's freaking 90 degrees out, humid. Yeah, the Northeast, bro. It is what it is. But here's something. I got a little bit of mail. So my first piece of mail here today is, oh yeah, it's a beer koozie. From Miss Booger. Oh hell yeah. Thanks. Hey, I sent her some stickers. Yeah. Chin chin. I gotta learn Spanish. I don't even know what that means. I'm sorry. I gotta look it up. Beer koozies. Shia. Boom. And my next one, I had to work out a little bit of thing here. New sticker board for another sticker that came in the mail. I have a bunch of stickers to send everybody. I gotta get to the post office this week. A couple guys out there. Don Frame, yours is coming out. A lot of guys on Instagram, gals as well. They're on their way. Check that out. Boom. Papa Texas. Oh hell yeah. Yeah. Going on the new board. You're gonna be alone for just a minute, bro. Yeah, it's Papa. Papa Texas. Hell yeah, thank you for all your support, guys. You guys rock. This barbecue community rocks, and it's a lot of fun. So, back to the cook. I think I'm going to be rolling these at 275. I am rolling these at 275 and be pulling them out after they start to get some good pullback. I'm going to wrap them in butcher paper and put them back on for about an hour or so. Bump it up about almost 300 if I have to try to shorten the cook. But if not, leaving it at 275, letting it roll. We're sitting at 270 right now with that Smart Row. Thank you to them guys. Smart Row sent me this. Thank you to Smart Row for this new gadget to take the temps of the grill or the meats with the dual probes. Oh, hell yeah. Thank you guys. And there's a code down below if you guys want to get one. Easy to use, super easy. And yeah, you want to know the temperature, what's going on in that grill, kettle, smoker, stick burner, whatever you're using, you want to know what's going on. It is time. Look at that monster. Look at that. Oh, hell yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah. Wow. Oh, hell yeah.